In this video, I will tell you how to change your subscription privacy settings on YouTube. Subscribe to the HS2IVO Tech Tip channel for the latest news, update, and tips. When you subscribe to a channel on YouTube, that channel won't know that you have subscribed. You can choose to make which channel you are subscribed to private or public. By default, all settings are set to private. Make your channel subscriptions public or private. Open the YouTube application. In the bottom right, tap your profile picture. Under your profile name, tap View Channel. The screen will show you your channel dashboard. At the right of the screen, tap the Edit symbol or pen picture. At the Privacy switch, turn off the Keep All My Subscriptions Private. Now, your channel will show on the recent subscriber list of the channel you are subscribed to. It might take a few days for the YouTube server to update the recent subscriber list. Tap the back symbol to go back to your channel dashboard. Tap the back symbol to go back to your channel. Then tap the home symbol to go back to the YouTube homepage.